first thing you're going to do is open a new file, and now I'm going to basically explain what tkinter is. So tkinter is the first option for a lot of learners and developers. It's quick and convenient to use, and it's used to construct basic graphical user interface or GUI applications. So you would see this in games like Roblox or Minecraft or in calculators too. So basically it's just like a button software. So that being said, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to import tkinter. Just that. So tkinter is now imported. Next, we're going to put down these two lines of code from Tinker import and then asterisk from Tinker import message box. Now, after that, we're going to first do define sum like this. Define sum like this. And now, just for the sake of time, I'm going to copy and paste my original code here. And you will be doing something like this. So number equals e.1 like this. Oh wait, actually you're going to do that. Num1 equals e1.get, which is something label we'll be using later. And then num1 equals integer number 1. And number 2 equals integer 2 or e2.get, and then number 2 integer num2. So basically in my pounds, retrieve the value from E1, convert into an integer, retrieve the value from E2, convert into an integer, clearing the entry box. So basically it's like a factory thing. You're going in and out and you are converting stuff into integers from whatever value they put. Then after that we're going to use, this is for the sum. Now we're going to do the same thing but with subtraction. So I'm going to copy and paste this. This is just subtraction. As you can see, it's the same thing, except this part, which is just subtracting instead of adding. So yeah. After that, we're now going to add in the product. So the multiplication based thing. It's going to be define product. So what we're going to put here is define product like this. And then num1, same thing, everything the same, except the minus and the plus turns into an asterisk, which, fun fact, it means to multiply or get the product of something. Now the final thing we're going to be defining is the quotient or dividing. So basically, these are all the roots of the GUI we will be using. These are defining the sum that they're doing or defining the button, so it knows to add the sum of 1, 2, 3, whatever number they put. So this is the first one. After that, we're just going to copy these codes in here, define clear, and then e1, oh wait, actually you're going to delete this. e1.delete 0n, e2.delete 0n. So if you press the button clear, which I'll get on later, it'll clear everything. So it'll delete the numbers that were there. Okay, now we got the defining down. We're gonna get to the other stuff. So first, we're gonna define close. So close is when they close the tab. Right here. So you're gonna copy this code down like this. Define close, which is defining their closing the tab. Answer equals message box dot ASCII, which is why we had to import message box. So if you could see from my original one, message box basically is when you press exit, it'll show this message box. Are you sure to code? Then it'll say program created by Matt, who is me, Matt the coder. Obviously, so now we're going to move on, and yes, this is window.destroy. So you would put information here and then program created by that. So copy that down. Next thing we're going to do is get the windows working. So basically here and here. So this is going to make the window size. window equals tkinter.tk, and the window.geometry is already in the Python files. So 450 times 300 is what I think would be good. It's probably not gonna load, but yeah. First of all, we're gonna name the file calculator. I'm just going to test if this works. Like this. Here. Oh, I closed it. Oops. Okay, so basically, this is the size of the calculator you will be having as a GUI impact. So, not wasting any time, this is all like the things you need to have so far. Next thing is, this is going to be a big block of code. You're going to do this. You're going to add an L right here. L equals label window text calculator. So this is going to make it say the calculator or number 1. So pad X is basically X. So you know that X is, following my mouse, X is obviously going this way, Y is going up, down, X is going left, right. So it's saying the X is going to be 10 to the right. So if we run the program like so, there we go. Calculator, it'll show the text box for number 1, which you can type anything you want, any number you want, even words, but it'll probably get an error because it's not converting that into an integer. Next, we are going to do the entry windows right here. This is going to be a long block of code. This right here. So we are going to do E2 equals entry window. This is the entry window, as you can see. Label window is going to be the label, as in the result, what's going to be happening in time interval. So if we run the module, it'll show the number 2 box once you put that code, and then it'll show the result. You can also type it in, you can change that in your own time. After that, we are going to finish this code up really quickly. This is a very quick tutorial, as you can see in the packet. B1 equals, so this is a very important part, so you have to make sure to listen to what I say, and make sure to double check you have everything correct. So, here we go. B1 is the button for the add. So, it would show the add button. And I know in most of my videos I would say make the row or column or whatever you want to put wherever you do it. For this sake, you have to put in the exact column 0 pad x10. So it'll look exactly like mine. Then the button 2 window is for the exit window. Obviously, then button 3 is the add window, which will add. And something you need to know is all this code that is B1 will be connecting to these. So we then insert the input that if you click on a button, like let's say the add button, it should add num1 plus num2, which you add here. So now after that, we're going to do the clear button, which will connect to the clear, the subtract button, which will connect to the subtract input, then the product button, which will connect to the product, and then the quotient, which will connect to the quotient. Now, once you've done all this code, I'm going to pause here for a minute so you know you got it. You can pause the video and copy this all down. I know I rushed you, but this is going to be really, really quick video and tutorial. Then we're going to move down here, copy all that down. Check. This is all the code you need to make your GUI-based, button-based calculator. So now we're going to test if it works. There we go, guys. So we have the calculator. Oh my god, I did it again. Okay, let's do this again. As you can see, we now have our very own program, Python-based GUI, tkinter-based calculator, where you can subtract, the product, the quotient, clear, exit, or add. So yeah, this is basically all there is. This is very high level, knowing that you need to know what tkinter is and message box. So yeah, before we end the video, I will just show you how all of this is going. So you are free to leave the video if you don't want to see, but if you want to stay, you can. So random number, you can add it and you'll get 690. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Then you can clear to clear. Then you can put random number. Then you can get the subtraction, 511, and this will all be correct because it's in the Python calculator. Then you'll do clear, random number, it can be very big, a very big number. Then you can get the product, also a very big number, and the quotient, 2.0, correct as I know, because I think I've been to first grade. Yes. So then after that, we are going to show the clear, so all the buttons work as you can see. Now the final button is the exit button. Are you sure to close? So are you sure you're going to close it? Okay. Then it'll say program created by Matt or whoever your name is. So you can put that and not my name. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to catch on to what I said. And I hope you'll be able to show this to family and friends, show off your coding skills, and make sure to share this video to people you know love coding to see if they would want to do this project too. Now before I end the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see the next video I post. And if you have any problems, comment down below and I will be able to respond to you as quickly as I can. That's all I can say. Thank you for watching and peace out. Subscribe to Matt the Coder. Bye.